Hello children, we have already discussed the hormones of the pituitary gland. Today we are discussing the hormones of pineal gland, thyroid gland and parathyroid gland. So first of all, see this, the location of the pineal gland. Pineal gland is located at the dorsal side of the forebrain. Its hormone is melatonin and function of the melatonin hormone that it controls the 24 diurnal rhythm of our body. It means normal rhythms of sleep and awake cycle. It also controls body temperature. It influences various metabolism, pigmentation, menstrual cycle and defense capability of our body. This all is mentioned here. Now we are here coming to the next gland, that is thyroid gland. So the thyroid gland, where do it is located? It is actually located near your neck, in the neck region. It has two lobes which are located on either side of the trachea. In the neck region you can see the location of the thyroid gland here, and this is trachea, where on both the side of the trachea the thyroid gland is located. Structure: this gland is actually composed of two lobes, which these two lobes are interconnected by a flap of connective tissue called isthmus. Lobes are actually made up of follicles and stromal tissue. These follicles are made up of follicular cells, and these cells secretes two main hormone, tetraiodothyronine or thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. One more hormone is there, TCT, that we will discuss later on. Now we are here coming, if there is a deficiency of iodine in our diet, because iodine is required for the formation of these two hormones. If there is a deficiency of iodine, it leads to low secretion of hormone. Low secretion of hormone condition is called as hypothyroidism or goiter. In pregnant women, hypothyroidism causes defective development and less maturation of growing baby. It leads to stunted growth, that is called as cretinism. It also leads to mental retardation and low intelligence. Now, it also causes the abnormal skin deafness in the baby, or in adult. If the low secretion of hormone is there, it causes the irregular menstrual cycle. This is all about the low secretion of the hormone. But if the hormone is over secreted, so due to the over secretion of the hormone, it leads to cancer of the thyroid gland and also leads to the development of the nodules in the thyroid gland. This condition is called as hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is also called as exophthalmic goiter, in which the thyroid gland get enlarged, it protrudes, and the eyeballs also protrudes out. It increased the metabolic rate, weight loss, and also called as Graves' disease. Now, if the hormone is secreted normally, this was over secretion and earlier it was less secretion. If it is secreted normally, then it regulates the basal metabolism of the body. It supports the process of RBC formation. It controls carbohydrate, fat and protein metabolism. It maintains the water and electrolyte balance. One more hormone of the thyroid gland is thyrocalcitonin. This thyrocalcitonin is non-iodinated hormone. This hormone checks the concentration of calcium in the blood by decreasing the metabolism of the calcium or decreasing the release of the calcium from the bones. This is all about the thyroid gland. Next gland is parathyroid. These are the four parathyroid glands are there. Two parathyroid glands are attached to each lobes of the thyroid gland. So this is the location of the parathyroid gland. They are present on the back side of the thyroid gland and one pair each in two lobes of thyroid gland. Total they are 4 in number. It secretes the hormone parathormone. Parathormone increases the calcium level in the blood. It also acts on the bones and stimulates the process of the dissolution or demineralization of the bone. This parathyroid hormone also stimulates the reabsorption of calcium from renal tubule. Actually, it is a hypercalcemic hormone. It increases the calcium absorption from the food, from the digested food. That means it increases the blood calcium level. That means along with thyrocalcitonin, TCT, hormones of the thyroid gland and parathormone, hormone of the parathyroid gland, both of these hormones balance the calcium level in the body. This is all about the parathyroid gland, thyroid gland and pineal gland. Whatever is written here, I have converted it into the form of the notes. This all is ophthalmic goiter, Graves' disease, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, hypothyroidism. Everything is mentioned here, parathormone. This all we have discussed. Thank you.